Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp backup stuck on Android. To know how to fix WhatsApp backup stuck on Android, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. And when you will see this page, you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage like this. And when you will end this, you will go to click here, clear cache. After that, you will go to clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.